Better not drop anything. Okay guys, there's a deer up here and he's pretty big. Come on deer, it's okay. He's got pretty big buck. He's pretty big, he looks like a buck. Come on deer, come on deer. What was that noise? Oh gosh, I'm scared. I heard something pretty loud up here. There's my house. Pretty big. Where are you going, dear? Where are you going, dear? He's down here. Oh. Always wondered what that was. I don't see anything. Oh, he's down there. Can you see him barely? I'll go try to catch him if you guys want to see him. Okay, ready? I'm gonna run pretty fast. Okay, ready? Yes. I'm going down. Whoa! Jesus. Come on. Come on, dear. Where you going? Where you going, dear? There he is. Oh, he's fast. You see him? Dang. Hey, dear. See him running up there? There's a lot of tracks and crap up here. I wonder if I can find more. I found like 8 the other day. Can't see him anymore. I want to find some more. I thought he was going to be like right there, but there's actually, he was already up the mountain. But all I was doing is pellet gun hunting with up in the mountains right here. It's a great spot. There's always birds everywhere, doves. You'll see everything. But I was hunting and I heard something running and I just turned and I saw him. So I was chasing him. But yeah. So I'm gonna go back down and see if I find any. So I'll keep the video playing. Just woo. This is what I love doing at my house. Just chasing deers. That looks like a nice buck. It looks like a 4x4, maybe even more than that. 6x6. It was actually a decent size. There's tracks everywhere. I'll go get my BB gun. This is my favorite place to hunt for birds. Pellet gun hunting. By the way, this is Utah.